Look at that Barbie cake, Mom.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Can we get it for her?
Let's go inside and order it.
Mommy, look! That cake has a Barbie on top.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Can I have that one for my birthday, please?
You want the Barbie cake?
Yes! It's pink and sparkly and I love it.
Then that's exactly what you'll have, my love.
Really? You promise, Mommy?
I promise, Henry. It's your birthday. You choose. Henry wants a Barbie cake for his birthday.
A Barbie cake? For a boy?
He saw it in the window. His eyes lit up.
Laura, people will talk. Kids will laugh at him.
He's 7 years old. He just likes what he likes.
I'm not paying for that. Get him a truck cake instead.
I already promised him, David.
Then unpromise it.
Henry, sweetheart.
Are you still awake? Mommy, is Daddy mad at me?
No, baby. Why would you think that?
I heard him say boys don't like Barbie cakes.
Henry, look at me. You can like whatever makes you happy.
Then why does he sound angry about it?
He's not angry at you. He's just learning.
I still want the cake, Mommy.
And you will have it. I promise you that.
Did you buy the truck cake?
No. I ordered the Barbie cake.
Laura, I told you.
Oh, bye. And I told you I made a promise to our son.
What will people say at the party?
They'll say Henry had the best birthday of his life. That's all that matters.
You're making this harder than it needs to be.
No. You're making it harder by caring what's think, more than your own child's smile.
Henry wants a Barbie cake? That's so weird. It's not weird. I just like it. Barbies are for girls. Everyone knows that. My mommy says I can like whatever makes me happy. Your mommy is wrong. No, she's not.
Boys, that's enough. Henry, are you all right?
I'm fine. I still want my cake.
Are you sure about this cake, Laura?
Why does everyone keep asking me that?
I just mean, it's not the usual request.
My son loves it. That's the only reason I need.
Some parents would say no just to avoid the questions.
Then I'm not like some parents. I'm his mother.
I respect that. Let's make it perfect for him.
Thank you. He's been waiting so patiently. Just the final touches and it's done. No! Oh no, it just the...
Laura, what happened?
The whole top layer. It's ruined. He's already been laughed at once. I can't let him down too.
We still have hours before morning. We can fix this.
Will you help me? One more time?
Of course. This cake means too much to stop now. Careful with the pink frosting. Smooth, slow strokes.
My hands won't stop shaking.
Shaking hands still make beautiful cakes, Laura.
What if David is right? What if this makes things worse for Henry?
Look at what you're building. This isn't about a cake. It's about telling your son he's loved exactly as he is.
I needed to hear that tonight.
The sun is almost up. Let's finish this for him.
Mommy, is it here? Is my cake really here?
Close your eyes, sweetheart.
They're closed. I promise.
Okay, open them now.
Mommy, it's exactly like the one in the window.
Happy birthday, my brave boy.
You remembered every part of it.
I remembered because you deserve to have exactly what makes you happy.
Henry, I'm sorry for what I said before.
It's okay, Daddy. Do you like it?
I think it's the best cake I've ever seen. Because you love it.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. Mommy, can I always choose my own cake?
Every single year, for as long as you want.
And I'll be right there choosing it with you next time.
Really, Daddy?
Really, I was wrong to doubt what makes you happy.
This is the best birthday ever.
And it's only the beginning of many, my love.
I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy.
We love you exactly as you are, Henry. Always.